Welcome to Bike Lab, your home for deep dives into the world of performance machines, from 2 wheels to 4. Today, we're stepping into the future while honoring a legend from the past. This is the 2026 Nissan Skyline GT-R R34, the rebirth of a Japanese icon. The return of Godzilla. Few names stir the soul of car enthusiasts quite like the Skyline GT-R R34. Originally launched in 1999, it became a cultural phenomenon, dominating racetracks, video games, and movie screens. Now, more than 2 decades later, Nissan has revived the R34 nameplate for 2026, blending nostalgic design cues with next-generation engineering. This isn't just a tribute, it's a rebirth engineered for a new era of performance. Design, classic lines, modern aggression. At first glance, the 2026 Skyline GT-R R34 immediately recalls the iconic silhouette of its predecessor, muscular fenders, sharp edges, and that unmistakable quad taillight setup. But look closer, and you'll see a fusion of past and future. The carbon fiber body panels reduce overall weight, while active aerodynamic elements subtly reshape themselves at high speeds for better downforce. The hood vents, rear diffuser, and sculpted front splitter are all functional, not just aesthetic. Nissan designers call it neo-precision heritage. It's a philosophy that retains the soul of the R34 while pushing design language into a hypermodern realm. The LED lighting signature, circular yet digitized, mirrors the classic rear lamps, glowing with a blue-white hue that feels distinctly futuristic. Powertrain, twin-turbo reimagined. Under the hood, the new R34 doesn't disappoint. The legendary RB26 DETT inline-6 is reborn as the RB30H, a 3.0-liter twin-turbo hybrid power unit. It delivers a breathtaking 710 horsepower combined output, 580 from the combustion engine and 130 from electric assistance. The e-motor fills in the torque gap, ensuring instant throttle response with zero turbo lag. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and the latest evolution of Nissan's Atessa ETS Pro Plus all-wheel drive system, the 2026 GT-R R34 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. Top speed? Officially limited to 211 miles per hour, but insiders suggest it's capable of more. This hybrid setup doesn't just boost speed, it also boosts efficiency. A regenerative braking system and selectable Eco Plus mode allow for quiet electric-only driving at city speeds. But the moment you switch to track mode, the beast awakens, and the twin turbos breathe fire once again. Chassis and handling, precision perfected. Nissan engineers have reworked the chassis using a lightweight aluminum carbon monocoque. This provides rigidity levels 30% higher than the outgoing GT-R Nismo. The suspension setup features adaptive magnetic dampers that respond to driving conditions in real time, while an electronically controlled limited-slip differential keeps power balanced through every corner. The result is an R34 that feels more planted, more agile, and more intuitive than ever before. Test drivers describe it as telepathic, with steering that reads your intent before you even turn the wheel. Whether carving through mountain roads or attacking the track, the new GT-R maintains its legendary balance of power and control. Interior, heritage meets high-tech. Inside, the cabin pays homage to the original R34's driver-centric design while embracing cutting-edge technology. Analog-style gauges blend with a fully digital, customizable display. The center console houses a new drive command interface, letting you adjust torque split, suspension stiffness, and turbo boost with a few quick taps. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and titanium accents create a racing-inspired yet luxurious atmosphere. The seats, sculpted with memory foam inserts, are designed to hold you firmly during high-speed maneuvers while remaining comfortable for long drives. Every control, every surface, and every sound inside the cabin reinforces one message: this car is built for those who live to drive. Technology and connectivity. The 2026 GT-R R34 is more connected than any GT-R before it. Integrated 5G connectivity powers real-time performance telemetry, downloadable firmware upgrades, and over-the-air tuning. Through the GT-R Connect app, drivers can access live diagnostics, track day replays, and even remote performance adjustments. And for the purists, Nissan includes a legacy mode, switching the digital displays into a classic analog layout inspired by the original 1999 dashboard. It's a small touch that reminds drivers where it all began. The sound of the future. One of the biggest challenges of hybridization is sound. Nissan tackled this by developing an active resonance exhaust system, which amplifies the RB30h's natural tone through a variable acoustic valve. The result? A deep, throaty growl that evolves into a mechanical scream past 6,500 revolutions per minute, authentic, emotional, unmistakably GT-R. Every rev, every downshift, every crackle from the exhaust has been engineered to stir the same emotions as the classic R34, with a futuristic twist. Price and availability. Production of the 2026 Nissan Skyline GT-R R34 will be limited to 2,600 units worldwide, each individually numbered. Pricing is expected to start around $210,000, with deliveries beginning in late 2026. Special editions, including a Nismo track package, are already rumored for 2027. Legacy Reborn. The 2026 Nissan Skyline GT-R R34 isn't just another high-performance car, it's a time machine that bridges generations. It honors the legacy of the original Godzilla while proving that innovation and nostalgia can coexist. Nissan hasn't just brought back a legend, it has reinvented it for the electrified era, faster, sharper, and more alive than ever. Outro. This has been Bike Lab, bringing you the stories behind the world's most iconic machines. If you're as thrilled as we are about the return of the Skyline GT-R, stay tuned for our next breakdown, where speed meets soul, and innovation meets legacy.